HISD's DYAD program offers students hands-on learning, sparking creativity and real-world skills. At Wesley Elementary, the program is really taking off. Principal Nash shared how Wesley's identity as a STEM campus is reflected through the DYAD program and why her students are more engaged than ever.
But we talk about the DYAD program because we are a STEM campus bringing graphic design into our DYAD program. We don't have a music program here, but we have piano that's offered through DYAD. We have a spin class as well, and the students are excited about photography this year. We're bringing that through our DYAD program.
Fifth grader Travion Crawford and fourth grader Jasmine Prophet are loving their DYAD classes.
My favorite DYAD is piano because piano is real fun, and Coach AP, like before, I never knew how to play a piano.
I like spin because it's like a little exercise. Wait, no, it's 1 day a week, and then you do the other one, which is graphic design. You can get on the computers and get on Canva and make certain things. Like she could give you a theme, like make a poster for a birthday.
Okay, nice.
And you gotta create it.
And with Wesley Elementary's big jump in state ratings, students like Travion are feeling more motivated than ever.
I'm looking forward to on my STAR test. I want to master again like how I did last year. So I'm really like trying to put my brain into everything. We beat the state, so we went from a B school, from a D school to a B, all the way to an 89%.
We couldn't have said it better.